Today, we are putting two all-season van tyres head-to-head, the Continental VanContact 4Season and the Michelin Agilis CrossClimate. Each has their own unique strengths, but which one is right for you? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental VanContact 4Season set as the reference point at 100%. First up, rolling resistance, where fuel efficiency is the key. The Continental VanContact 4Season emerges as the better choice, offering a rolling resistance coefficient value of 6.8 compared to Michelin's 7.3. This means the VanContact 4Season provides better fuel efficiency, helping to reduce operating costs over time. Next up, wet performance, where stopping power is crucial. The Michelin Agilis CrossClimate takes the lead, stopping 1.1 meters shorter in wet braking compared to Continental. However, the Continental VanContact 4Season excels in wet handling, completing laps 1.2 km faster, providing superior stability and control. The Michelin Agilis CrossClimate outperforms the Continental VanContact 4Season in straight-line aquaplaning with a higher slipping speed of 2.3 km per hour. Moving on to snow performance, where traction matters most. The Continental VanContact 4Season proves its strength, stopping 1.1 meters shorter in snow braking and completing snow handling laps 0.5 km per hour faster than the Michelin Agilis CrossClimate. This translates to improved confidence on winter road. Now, dry performance, where responsiveness is key. The Michelin Agilis CrossClimate stands out, stopping a massive 5.7 meters shorter in dry braking. However, the Continental VanContact 4Season achieves a slightly higher handling speed with an advantage of 1 km per hour, offering a touch more agility. When it comes to noise, the Continental VanContact 4Season edges out just so slightly with a 0.3 decibel advantage compared to the Michelin Agilis CrossClimate. This minor difference could mean a more relaxed driving experience. In summary, the Continental VanContact 4Season delivers superior snow traction, better rolling resistance, and quieter ride. On the other hand, the Michelin Agilis CrossClimate shines in wet and dry braking, providing shorter stopping distance and enhanced safety.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.